Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Can we find out together? Look out on the board and tell me where is the last shape we colored in our pattern. Can you see it? Can you find which square in the calendar was the last shape we colored? What shape did we color yesterday? The purple triangle, and it was day 8, a Friday. So if this was yesterday, this must be today. Let's go up, and it's a Saturday. So today is Saturday. Saturday is a fun day for a lot of people. Some people don't work and don't have any school on Saturday, and they're catching up from doing chores maybe, or doing something fun, or going to lessons. Saturdays can be fun days, even lazy days, lazy jammy days sometimes. So if we are going to continue our pattern, let's start at the beginning to see what we are going to draw in here to continue our AB pattern. Orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle. So I've got my orange marker here. Let's make a circle. We'll color that in. Do you have your calendar with you to color in yours orange circle? It's okay if you don't. Kind of fun to color it in. And then we know what day it is just by glancing at the calendar. So now that we've continued our pattern, let's just say it together to make sure we got it correct. Orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle. Good job. We also need to put the number in there. What is our number for today? If yesterday was 8, today would be, what comes after 8? Let's go back to the beginning of our calendar and count the days and see what comes after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 comes after 8. So we're going to go a circle and then a line down. That's a 9. Let's count it all together. Make sure we've got it correct. I'd love to hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Let's count backwards together. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. So fun. So let's go back to our day and go up. It's Saturday. Saturday. So here's our Saturday card. And what do you see on there? At the beginning of the word Saturday is an S. An S sounds like S. Can you make an S sound? Can you say S? Pretend you're a slithery snake. S. Or a slow snail. Or maybe you like to eat spaghetti and you'll slurp it up. Slurp, slurp, slurp. So Saturday. It has a capital S because it's the name of the day. Let's spell it out together. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Saturday. So let's see. It's Saturday and it's the last day on our calendar. How many days are in the week? Can we count them together? I'd love to hear you. Can you say it with me? Sunday. I'm already saying the names. We're supposed to be counting. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. 7 days in the week. That was wonderful. Do you remember how many months are in the year? Do you remember? Should we count them and see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. And let's see if we can remember how to say every month. Will you say it with me? It's okay if you don't remember all of them yet, but we'll practice together and we'll eventually learn them all. Are you ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And the month that we are in right now is January. And that's the first month of the year. So January starts with a capital J because it's the name of the month, so it always has to have a capital. And J sounds like J, 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 J. What words start with J? Jiggling, jumping. What about juggling? Do you ever juggle balls or stuffies maybe? Do you ever see a juggler, a clown juggling maybe? J, 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 January. So we can spell it. Say it with me if you know the letters. January. January. So we have Saturday, January 9th, and the year is 2021. Sometimes we say 2021 because that looks like a 20 and that looks like a 21. So you can say 2021 or you can say 2021. Whatever you prefer is great. So I'm going to get my marker here and we can put our day and month into our sentence. So remember, our sentence begins with today is. So today is a word and is a word. And today has a capital T because it's the first word in the sentence. So we always put a capital on the first word in a sentence. So today is Saturday. So a capital S because Saturday is the name of the day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And then a comma. Do you remember what the comma is for? That's our pause in the sentence, right? So today is Saturday, January. Capital J because January is the name of the month. January. And the number for today is 9, comma, and then we're going to put the year, 2021. So 2021, and then a period, because that's the end of our sentence. This period tells us to stop. That sentence is over. So can we say our sentence together? Today is Saturday, January 9th, 2021. Great job. That's wonderful. Have you looked outside today to see what the weather is like? I took a peek outside my window and I am so excited. It is so bright out I could wear sunglasses. That's kind of silly because it's winter and we often think of sunglasses as being a summer thing, but it is so bright out today. Why do you think it would be bright? Let's have a look. Do you think it's bright if it's rainy? When the clouds are out and the rain is falling, do you think the sun is out being bright and shiny? No. What about windy? It could be windy when it was bright out, but I didn't see any trees moving or any snow blowing. Partly cloudy. The sun is peeking out, so it can be sunny sometimes and cloudy the next. Could be, but I didn't see any clouds, so let's try another one. Cloudy. I don't think it's cloudy because it's really bright and I did not see any clouds. Snowy? There's no clouds, so there won't be any snow either, but we got lots of snow yesterday, which is why I'm so excited. Today is sunny and it's so bright I could wear my sunglasses if I wanted to. So bright and it's sunny. So that means it won't be as cold as usual and I can go outside and build a snowman with all the new snow that fell yesterday. I'm very excited. So I'm going to put sunny up here. And will you help me mark it on the board? Here's our weather chart. And we're going to keep track of our weather every day. And we're kind of lucky. Sunny's the first one, so we don't have to look any further. And I'm going to put a tally mark beside these two. Look, we already have 2 sunny days. So can you put your finger up high and strike it down? Ready? Let's do it again. Put your finger up high and strike it down. That's how we make a tally mark, or the number 1. They kind of look the same. So let's go here. Start at the top, and then we'll go down. So can you count? How many tally marks do we have on the chart? 1, 2, 3. We've had 3 sunny days in January already. That is exciting. So I'm going to open up my agenda. And do you remember? This is my name. And what's at the end of it? An apostrophe S. And do you remember what that means? When you got an apostrophe S at the end of someone's name, that means that it belongs to them. So this is my name, Celyne, and then apostrophe S. So Celyne's agenda. So that means it belongs to me. Anybody that picks up this book will see that it belongs to Celyne. So yesterday we put in the date and we practiced our printing and our numbers, and I was going to read a book. But you know what? My day got really busy and I never did read my book. I just didn't have the time. So I am going to try read it today. So I'm not going to check it off because I didn't complete it yet, but I'm going to do that today. So let's start by writing the day. It's Saturday, so capital S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. And then the number 9. I ran out of space again, so I'm going to put the year underneath it. 2021. Saturday, January 9th, 2021. And we are on January 9th, so there's 9 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am going to practice printing all of those numbers. So I'm going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to draw sunny because it's sunny out today. I'm just going to draw a circle, and I'm not going to color it in today. I'm just going to make a black and white picture. And today on my agenda, I am planning to build a snowman. I am so excited that it snowed and we have all this fresh snow, so I'm going to build a snowman. So I'm going to draw one. I'm going to start with a little circle, a medium circle, and a large circle. And then I'm going to use some twigs for his arms. And I don't have any coal. You know, in the song, he's got coal buttons and coal eyes. But I'm just going to use some rocks because I don't have any coal. But I've got some rocks outside that I can find. And 2 eyes made out of rocks. And a carrot nose. And then I'm just going to use a stick for a mouth. And there's my snowman. I might put a hat on him. We wear toques where I live to keep our heads warm. And then I'm going to print my name, C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. I'm going to practice printing my name every day so that I can get really good at it. Now, if you don't know how to spell your words like this yet, or if you don't know how to make all of these letters, you can just practice making the letters. So we have an A. Let's practice the A today if we don't know how to make the full name of the day and the month. So this is an A, so we're going to start at the top and go down. Then we're going to go back up the top and come down. And then we're going to make and then we're going to cross our A there. So that's how you make an A. Down, down, and then across. And then if you make a circle and a line down, that's your little a. Big A, little a. Capital A, uppercase A, lowercase a. We have all kinds of different names for things. Isn't that silly that we call things so many different things? And then I'm going to talk about my sad face from yesterday. Remember I said I was kind of sad yesterday because my friend wasn't feeling very well? She's feeling better, and I am super excited about going out and building a snowman. So I'm definitely not sad today. Do you think I would be sad to go build a snowman? Would you be sad to build a snowman? Some people don't like being outside in the snow, so they might be sad, but I'm not. I'm very excited. What about this one? Do you think I would be kind of nervous? Maybe a little shy? If I've never made a snowman before, I might be a little bit nervous and shy, but I've made lots of snowmen, so I think I'll be okay. And then I have this one. I think I'm okay. What do you think? Just at peace? Calm? I don't think I'm calm. I think I'm really excited. What about this one? angry? Do you think I would be mad about building a snowman? No way. I am so excited to build a snowman. I am so happy. I think I actually might need to make a new feeling face because this one does not show how excited I am. I am so happy. So let's put our happy face there. And I'm going to do something kind today because my neighbor's kids have never made a snowman before. So they're going to come over and they're going to build the snowman with me. So I am going to show them how to build a snowman, which is really nice because I'm sharing a skill that I have and teaching it to them so that they can build a snowman on their own without any help. And that's a really nice thing to do. Can you think of anything that you know how to do that maybe you can show somebody else? What can you do? Can you draw a snowman like I did today? Do you think maybe you know how to draw a flower? What can you draw that you can show maybe your grown-up person how to draw? Or maybe you can show your grown-up person how to build a tower with your blocks? Or tie your shoes. Do you know how to tie your shoes? Maybe you have a brother or sister that don't know how to tie their shoes. Or maybe you have a friend or a cousin that doesn't know how to tie their shoes and you can show them how to tie their shoes. Or maybe zipper up their jacket. That can be a tricky thing too. What do you know how to do that you can show somebody else? Think about it a little bit and maybe you can come up with something. If not, try one of the other things. Maybe your parents need to know how to draw a flower, or maybe your grandpa would like to know how to build a tower. So try something new today. Show somebody how to make something that you know how to make, and maybe it'll make their day. And that's being kind. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy your wonderful time with the person you're being kind to, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.